Hello, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I wish you a happy, healthy, prosperous life. Today we will be cooking mung bean patty, which is a vegetarian dish. Ingredients as usual are in the description. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. I really appreciate it if you provide your opinion. Now for this we naturally need mung beans. That's 3 cups that we soak in water for a few hours and then put it in a pot and we boil it, and when it's getting ready the skins will come off and we are going to collect the skins. We don't want them in the patty. We collect as much as we can. So after putting it in a pot and boiling it and having it cooked, we are going to use a strainer and collect the skins that are accumulated on the top, and we just use the this is the strainer, and this is the skin that you can see I've collected. We don't need to do the whole thing. As much as we collect, as much as we can. Now the mung beans are skinless and ready, almost skinless, and we are going to get the other ingredients ready. We need 1 large onion that I've chopped and preferably get the juice out. This is parsley and coriander fresh chopped, and 1 large potato boiled, and 2 eggs, and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic that I've chopped. And now with the spices, we need half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger if you like, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of aromatic herbs. This is a mixture that I made myself. It's in the description, and you can use any aromatic herb you like. And we also need 1 tablespoon of white wheat flour and 1 tablespoon of roasted chickpea flour. This is roasted one, not the ordinary chickpea. And 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we are going to get the food processor ready and put the mung beans in the food processor. Now we add the potatoes that have been boiled, and the onion, chopped garlic, and 2 eggs. We will use the coriander and parsley later on. Now we put the lid on and get it going to make the paste. We need to stop it a few times to clear the sides. Also, at this moment we add our spices, and we also add the flours. And get it going again. When the mixture is ready, we are going to transfer it into a container. Now we add the chopped coriander and parsley. We didn't put them in the food processor because we don't want to have them mushy, and we like them to remain as they are, nice and green. Now we will level the paste in the container, and then either put the cover on if you have one, or if not, cover it with a nylon sheet. And we're going to let this rest for about an hour or two. Now time has elapsed, and we put the frying pan on the stove and add cooking oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, and when the oil is heated, we are going to use two different methods of putting the paste in the frying pan. First, we use the molds. We fill up the mold. We use a spoon and get some oil on the spoon on back of the spoon and press it down to get it all level and make sure there are no cavities there, so that it will be nicely shaped. So you get the idea. I'm going to do the other ones off the camera. Now after the one side is done, we are going to remove the molds, and if it sticks, we are going to use a knife to clear the sides. Two of them came out easily, so I'm going to use a knife on the other one. Just release it from the side, like so, and wait for one side to get ready, and then flip it over. Now I've flipped them over, and the other side is also getting ready, so I remove them, clear the frying pan, and this time we are going to use the scoop method. So we fill up the scoop, make sure we put enough paste in the scoop so that all of them will be the same size. Then go very close to the oil and release so that the oil doesn't splash on it, and then use a spatula and soak it in oil, and then press on the patty like I'm doing. As you can see, it is nicely shaped, round as you want it. Again, we fill up the scoop and go close to the oil and release, and do the same using a spatula to put oil on it and press it. The thinner you want it, the more you push. So you get the idea. I'm going to do the rest. These ones are done, so I'm flipping over, and also going to do the rest off the camera so that I don't waste your time. Now most of them are in, and some of them are flipped over, and as you can see, they're very nicely done. And here is the finished product. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.